Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Hope you're all doing well. This is an update on the GT group build done by Keith. I did the IMSA Camaro. This one's the Craig Carter livery. It's a little different than the real car. The fender flares in the real car were not this outdone, but this line goes straight and I'd end up doing the wheel wells. I just got it done with clear. And I end up getting the grill and all that, so it's all cleared over, so I have to put some dull coat on some of the black areas inside and all that, and give it a good wet sanding. And just did a quick silver on that because I'm going to paint the tail lights instead of using a decal. Unless I used a decal, I can't remember which one I did on this kit before when it was just a standard car. Got the mirrors in. I gotta put the actual chrome pieces on that. I did detail the engine bay. Like I said, all that black I'm on dull coat. And the hood turned out pretty good. It's not too bad. It's got a little bit of a rough coat, but I'll probably wet sand it a touch and give it some Novus on that. Not too much, it is a race car, so it shouldn't be perfect. Here is the interior so far. Let's see, get some light on this situation. So I made my own little electronic box, and I got a box with 2 wires going in there. Man, I wish I could just get a little bit more light in there. I got it going on the back. I also have a fuel cell. I'll be putting that right in here. And dash is about the same. And painted everything in there. So that's all about the same. Can't remember if in the last video I showed this or not. But I think I did. I gotta do a little bit more wash on it and that one's ready to go. So the last video I showed you guys the carbs. I did that. They're a bit too long. Now on the one carbs I did like this before, I cut the bottom out and used Magic Sculpt to hold everything together. So of course I opened up that, and I'm going to put a little bit of Magic Sculpt in and put those in there and then let that cure. The Magic Sculpt is a 2-part epoxy clay. It's kind of like Tamiya's got one, a whole bunch of them out there, but it's just a 2-part clay mixed together. It gets hard as a rock, but it'll hold those in there. And so, and then so almost there. I got all the tires all sanded and all that, and then I got to do a little detail painting on this, the brake master cylinder, and that won't get put in until it's all the way in because it'll get knocked off by the fender flares of the body on that. But it's getting there. I think the next video, this one should be done. So until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great one. Bye.